Today I'm going to share with you a style that I use to both grow my hair out and to keep it long and healthy. You guys see me starting out with the Pantene Pro V Miracle Rescue Deep Conditioner. It is a hair mask, but it also says on the bottle that you may leave it in as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm smoothing that into my hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take some Eco Styler gel and go behind that to continue to smooth. So I really like to smooth that in as best as possible, and then I like to go ahead and take my brush and just comb in my products, making sure everything is distributed evenly, and even furthermore smoothing my hair. And I just also too like to make sure my hair is just kept as detangled as possible before braiding, because it gives you a smoother look. So once I'm sure that everything is smooth through, I like to just go ahead and start to do my braid down the lengths of my hair. Also guys, as you can see in the shower, I did already secure both ponytails on both sides. This just makes it easier for me because I feel like I can control my hair more in the shower under the steam, and with the moisturizing benefits of my conditioner. I also added the OG I think they're called Organics hair serum to my hair. You can get it from Target. Any hair serum will really do that's thick. I just like to add this for shine and just added moisture. I just feel like it helps seal in what I've already put in my hair. Also too guys, I just love to allow my hair to dry in this style. And then once my hair has dried for the most part, after I want to say the first day, I do take those elastics out and kind of just let my scalp breathe. And it doesn't mess up my style. I'm still able to keep it in for a few days, and it actually to me makes it look a little even better when I take it out. Yeah, the reason why I will end up taking those two elastics out is that I don't like to have my hair under a lot of tension for too long, and I do just like to let my scalp and my roots breathe. So I don't believe in keeping tight styles in all the time 24/7. I mean, this style is really not that tight, but of course you want to secure the elastic so you can have it secure the hairstyle. There's nothing worse than when you put your hair in a ponytail while it's wet, and when you're manipulating the length, it's kind of sliding all over and migrating around from the original spot where you put it. I found that with my natural hair and it being low porosity, the shower is the best place for me to kind of set the stage to the hairstyle that I want, only because I feel like, again, I just have so much more control over it with the humidity and the steam and the moisturizing conditioners. I'm just able to get my hair pretty much to do whatever I want. So some things I love about this hairstyle is, one, it is stylish, it's very cute, it's very quick, and it's very easy. 3, it doesn't put much tension on the hair. 4, you can pretty much jam pack as much moisture into your hair as you want. Don't worry about if you see any of those white parts into the braid. They're gonna dissipate, they're gonna eventually soak into the hair, so don't even worry about that. But also too, when your hair fully dries, it's going to be very moisturized, and also your hair at the roots will be stretched, so it also prevents lots of tangles, fairy knots. You don't have to worry about things like that with this hairstyle. And like I said, after the first few days, I end up taking out the elastics, probably usually after the first 24 hours. And I'm sitting here right now, I'm post 2 days of doing this style. The elastics are out. My roots look beautiful, full, still smooth very well. And this style, yeah, it lasts for about a good 3 days. And so if you can't get to doing your hair or you're busy, it's a great style to have because your hair is protected from tangles and matting, but also still kind of kept together and kept moisturized. So it also prolongs moisture in your hair because it takes the hair longer to dry out. So here I am just starting to smooth down the crown of my head, getting those frizzies kind of to lay down, and then just going around the circumference. And yeah, I'm gonna take a boar bristle brush and just kind of chase those areas and smooth them down. It really is not taking a lot. My hair is very moisturized. I also did not shampoo in the shower. I just put a hair mask in, let it sit for about 15 minutes while I shaved, showered, did everything else I was gonna do, and then I rinsed it out. So I think this is why too my hair is behaving so well, because you know, when you kind of restart with shampoo, it does kind of clean the hair and kind of remove a lot of that tackness. So yeah, so there you guys have it, this beautiful natural hairstyle that's very easy, very cute, that you can dress up and down. I'm on my way to work, and yeah, I thought I would just show you how I do my braids. I'll see you guys later. Bye.